ओए, हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। No one liked that. Everyone was uncomfortable. They're not
तुम अटक रही हो ऐसा।
with this. We're switching it up. Sarah was like, please introduce. My internet isn't lagging. I'm just like that. I just did that.
ये मेरा
Is it still?
नेचुरल
Is it fine?
बॉर्न टैलेंट है।
Bro, that does.
अच्छा।
Acha, so, do you want to go
वेलकम टू एपिसोड
first?
8। हम लोग सर्च हिस्ट्रीज में जंप राइड इन कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले मैंने सर्च किया था मेट्रो टाइमिंग्स कतर, क्योंकि मैं नाश्ते पे जाने वाली थी लेकिन फिर मैं नहीं गई। मूविंग ऑन। उसके बाद मैंने जोरान ममदानी की बीवी को सर्च किया है क्योंकि वो बड़ी कूल है, उसका काम मुझे बहुत पसंद है। एंड टर्न्स आउट आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग हर ऑन माय अदर अकाउंट, शाउट आउट टाइल रिपोजिटरी, for a while because her work is really cool. उसके बाद मैंने सर्च किया था Chinese tarot coins because the friend who's crashing with me was telling me about Chinese tarot coins. So I was looking it up because I was intrigued. उसके बाद मैंने सर्च किया thermal camera. I am in a little bit of a thermal camera hyperfixation. Thermal cameras are so cool. I really want one, but they're so expensive. और फिर मुझे Facebook Marketplace पे एक AGM phone मिला with a thermal camera in it, and I really, really, really thought on it. बट आई डिसाइडेड अगेंस्ट बाइंग इट क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी एक फ़ोन है, लेकिन अब मेरे 5 ईयर प्लान में वो वाला फ़ोन है थर्मल कैमरा वाला। और फिर उसी वजह से मैंने एजीएम मोबाइल भी सर्च किया हुआ है। और उसके बाद मैंने सर्च किया था नजला नॉवेल्टी, एंड दैट इज़ बिकॉज कतर में नाउ वी हैव अ प्लेस कॉल्ड मुशेरफ डाउनटाउन। इट्स अ वेरी जेंट्रिफाइड area. There's a lot of like coffee shops and restaurants and a lot of like designer, like Versace homes or Gucci इस तरह के stores, and it's like
Hmm?
it's one of those like वो जो furniture shops होती हैं
Okay.
Versace वगैरह की, वो हैं उधर। और they have like an internal
Okay.
tram system, and it's like this like gentrified area. And I looked up Najla Novelty because came across a picture of what that area used to be before they built Mashirab downtown, because a friend sent me this post. And I was the only shop I could see in that post of what it used to be. तो basically वो एक residential commercial mixed area होता था और मुझे वो वाली shop नजर आ रही थी, तो I was like trying to see if I could like Google Earth it. And I started like doing the Google Earth historical timeline thing. One great thing about living in Qatar is that there's a lot of really good Google Earth captures. तो 1985 से लेके अब तक काफी सारे उन्होंने स्नैपशॉट्स गूगल अर्थ में किए हुए थे। there's just वो व्यू नहीं होता, स्ट्रीट व्यू नहीं होता इन हिस्टोरिकल वो, which I wish होता, but I get कि नहीं, क्यों नहीं होता। And then I just like
How would
went,
they even have done that?
yeah, they wouldn't have, but like you can wish for things.
Yeah.
like
Immersive.
like मजा आता अगर हम इस तरह
Don't
ऐसे
wish
लगता आप टाइम मशीन में।
for it too hard, they're gonna be like, bro, they're gonna release it and they're gonna fill in the data gaps with AI. It's gonna be horrible. That's what they're
Oh,
gonna
I
do.
don't.
Manifest this.
ओके
That's
ओके
what they're
ओके
gonna
ओके।
do.
या नो नो नो, एंड लाइक आई सॉ कि 2010 में उन लोगों ने इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू की थी, तो मैंने वो पूरी गूगल अर्थ पे डेमोलिशन देखी उसकी, लाइक एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक started to get broken down, all of these commercial shops. और फिर 2011 के snapshot में you could like see everything razed to the ground, and then 2012 2013 it's like a completely different bird's eye view, like it's urban sprawl. And then you just like see it sprawl more and more and more and more and more. And just I was like playing around with Google Earth yesterday and looking at how Qatar has developed over the last decade, and it has developed a lot over the last decade. Like it has gone from commercial to very modernist, and you can like see that in the bird's eye view. तो मैं देख रही थी, उसके बाद मैं कराची में गई। द थिंग इज कराची की इतनी अच्छी हिस्टोरिकल स्नैपशॉट्स नहीं है, तो इसलिए इतना मजा नहीं आया। बट दैट्स बेसिकली
Hmm.
माय सर्च
I've
हिस्ट्री।
done that. Karachi coastline मैंने देखी थी इस year. So I think
हम्म।
तुम्हारे साथ थी. Like we talked about this, right?
वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस।
Right?
बट
We
कोस्ट लाइन,
did.
क्योंकि तुम रिक्लेम लैंड की बात कर रही थी ना मेरे से।
हाँ,
बट बट कोस्ट
वो
लाइन
कितना है?
के अलावा मैं बस आई वांटेड टू सी लाइक shops and stuff, because like I know for a fact that post 2020 Karachi looks so different because of the emergence of all these like coffee shops and the over commercialization. the very rapid over commercialization of Karachi, because every time I go back, I see it more commercialized. So it would be cool to see it from like a ऊपर से. But उसके इतने up close snapshots हैं ही नहीं Google Earth पे. So I got
उनकी रेजोल्यूशन काफी गंदी है, which historical data का makes sense, but पाकिस्तान का I
even
guess
अब
अब
भी
थोड़ा
अब
सा
भी like
बेहतर है.
स्ट्रीट व्यू फिर भी बेहतर है, लेकिन आप एक थोड़ा जूम इन करके सॉरी ऊपर से नहीं देख सकते अभी भी उसमें, विच इज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच टू सी.
स्ट्रीट व्यू कहाँ है? स्ट्रीट व्यू तो नहीं है.
मैंने निक्सर को किया था स्ट्रीट व्यू.
फिर वो आई थिंक स्पेसिफिक होते हैं, बिकॉज जिस तरह मैंने नस्ट को किया था, बट उसमें it was just वो CS डिपार्टमेंट that was 3D, everything else was flat.
Isn't it also like a little bit participatory कि किसी ने
It
अगर
is, इसलिए
तस्वीरें
मैं कह
लेके
रही हूँ, it's like
अपलोड
whoever
किया हुआ
does
है.
it, right?
या
Like with the
सो लाइक
naming streets वगैरह.
या तो लाइक मैं नूरानी कबाब हाउस देखने की कोशिश कर रही थी कि कितना मजा आएगा, लेकिन फिर उसमें मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था. Your turn.
Oh yeah,
Bro just zoned out.
I zoned out, bro.
Zonked
यार
out.
it's इतना मुश्किल है going through this right now because I've been using Instagram from my browser. So I just have so much to go through. Oh, uh, Gone Girl runtime.
We
So we
never
know
watched Gone Girl.
we didn't, and that's why I was, because it's 2.5 hours, bro. I
Who's
could live
doing?
out Gone Girl in 2.5 hours. What do
और मैंने
you mean?
तुम्हारे लिए टॉरेंट वो भी रिसोर्सेज सर्च की थी.
Oh my god, मैंने भी I was asking people, I was like, please, hi, could you? And फिर उन्होंने जवाब दिया कि अभी, I was like, नहीं, जब मैं लैपटॉप खोलूंगी तब I don't have it in me to do that right now. But the thought was there.
It's the thought that counts.
It's the thought that counts.
It's the
फिर,
thought.
so I searched few choice words for the female squirrel from the Ice Age franchise because I was trying to prove a point about how illustrators illustrate female versus male animals because of how we perceive gender and then how we, shove that on animals. जिधर specifically वो शायद biological traits नहीं हो, but just because of how we perceive it, we're like, oh, they're gonna
Yeah.
have long lashes, they're gonna have lipstick, even if they're, a sloth, etc.
Even like Tom and Jerry, bro, the girl cats.
Bro, yeah, but Tom and Jerry still okay if they're going for like more anthropomorphic. यही कहते हैं ना? So, but with Ice Age, where they're like, it's a mammoth. A mammoth is a mammoth. Like, so
हाथी है
even
यार.
even in that universe, the female tiger looks like that. What are we doing? Go back to the drawing board. Burn the drawing board down. I didn't like that. So, and
Yeah.
honestly, because इतने अरसे पहले हमने ये movies देखी थी, when I went back, it was even more apparent. So,
Yeah, and
now,
also I'm scared of what we've internalized because I feel like as we've grown older, we've heard a lot of stuff about the creators of these children's shows and cartoons.
oh yeah.
So sometimes I'm scared of what unrestricted access to media has, as a child, has done to my brain as an adult, and whether there's things that I don't even know have happened in terms of like self-image, in terms of gender,
For
in terms of
sure.
things like this.
For sure. Yeah, I just started doing a Gilmore Girls rewatch with a friend. And like I've watched video essays. I love watching video essays on YouTube.
Yeah,
It's
you
it's
look
like
like
the
it.
only thing I do, okay? But also everyone talking about early 2000s shows going back being like a acha in hindsight a problematic tha because they're just casually fat shaming other characters, being
Yeah.
like, oh, we eat so much but we're skinny and that's normal, and oh no, I don't have
Yeah.
vegetables. And that was the plot.
Yeah,
Okay, oh,
I feel
we're
like the
eating
whole thing with Gilmore Girls is the over romanticization of the cool girl trope. Like,
Hmm.
oh, we're so skinny and we eat junk food and we don't care about men and they still love us.
And we talk fast. And the thing is, which is disappointing because
Represented by the talking fast. I was like, पहली बार अपने आप को देखने को मिल रहा है टीवी
Oh my
बड़े
God, that's the
बड़े
timer.
पर्दे पे।
It's disappointing because इतने shows नहीं थे उस जमाने में which had such a rich, diverse female cast, right? So they have so many female characters and they're, you know, for better or worse, fleshed out. And they're a
Mm-hmm.
lot more interesting than the male cast. So which is why it's so much worse जब वो दिखाते हैं कि oh these are like the cool ones and this is the rest of them. So
Yeah.
they do really like not like other girls, the protagonists
Mm-hmm.
more or less.
Yeah, and
More.
like the more realistic women on the show are like Lane or Paris, and they're shown or Suki, and they're shown
Hmm.
to be a little bit like side character, butt of the joke type. And I'm
They're
like,
enough of a presence that it makes sense that these characters would have a relationship with them, but then they're
yeah,
not threatening to them in any way. At every
yeah,
given point, we're told that Acha, they're so much better. And
yeah,
then this is just like, you know, emotional
yeah,
support human.
yeah. They're so much better, and it's the more blander women.
Yeah.
I'm talking about Rory in specific. Lorelai Pirby has more dimension to her.
I love I love how they write Emily.
I love her.
I
She's,
love how they write Emily.
yeah,
Her character goes crazy,
goes stupid even.
goes stupid. Stages of Grief,
Dobara?
Quinta Brunson.
Of
Stages of
course.
Grief.
Dobara, Stages of Grief.
हाँ, I think I forgot.
कितने stages है यार?
4 या 5 फिर से गूगल करना
I
पड़ेगा.
think 8 होते हैं, 7-8 stages होते हैं.
फिर Osama bin Laden watch. फिर कोइफे, कीफ, कॉफ. वो जो like the hair thing, like Zen,
Yeah,
like with like the streak, but like with the wo. I don't know what it's called, but it's a hair thing, right? Like the I don't
the
know how you
Shawn
say it.
Mendes. Waffle.
Yeah, yeah, Kofo. Well, AQI Islamabad because it was bad. Um, moons and menstrual cycles,
Yep.
standard and normal distributions. I saw this,
Yes.
yeah, I saw this random reel that was talking about how women's periods sync up with the moon, and they just showed this random chart and
I've
they like
heard
went
this
to
a
it.
lot. I've heard
I
this
was
a
like,
lot, and even like the period app we use is very like cosmic themes. So that's how I knew
huh,
that the Beaver
I do
Moon.
like that. From a design user interface wala way, I love that.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah. But
this girl
I
was like,
don't know.
oh, data shows. I was like, okay, like she didn't say anything. There were no sources cited. So I looked
Yeah,
it up, but then I was also thinking, okay, इन लोगों का डेटा like कहाँ से होगा? But then obviously period apps, right? उनसे ही डेटा
yeah,
लिया होगा उन्होंने because इतना large sample. And then the whole if you have enough of a sample, तो don't they like if to like normal distribution curve
yeah,
eventually. So वो
yeah,
दिखा रही थी कि ये moon का cycle है and because like periods on average 20 से इतने दिन तक होते हैं तो
huh.
like if it
It
would
just
repeat
matches
इतने
up with the
दिनों
moon
में.
cycle.
I was like क्या हुआ?
So it just matches up with the moon cycle just because the sample size is big enough. Is that what's happening?
Is what I think. Is what I think. But like
You know what
there's some
surprises
people are
me
like it's a
so
myth.
much? What surprises me is
Yeah.
that they haven't done research yet that proves that cycle syncing between close friends and stuff is real.
Huh.
Like,
But
there's
then
no
also they
scientific
just
proof
like
of that.
they haven't done that with like painkillers, antibiotics, and periods either. So period
Yeah,
thinking was still
true.
like abstract and what's that gonna do for us? But
Yeah,
like
man,
medicine that could, you know,
I think about this a lot. I think about how if they did more research and invested more resources in women's health, they would find out they would categorize PCOS in like into like 5 different disorders because there's no way we're using one umbrella term for it
yeah,
still. Because
yeah.
like there's the high testosterone kind, then there's the cortisol kind and stuff like that. And it's just so different. I can't believe it's all called PCOS in the big 2025.
Oh, हाँ, मुझे है.
यार
And
मुझे
like,
है question mark because half of the doctors I've been to have said
but
है and
except
then half
that's
of
how they do it. Process of
yeah,
elimination के साथ they're like यही
yeah,
होगा.
yeah,
We don't know what to
yeah.
do with you.
Also, it's like a huge struggle because when you go to a doctor for this, for symptoms like this, they're like, बस बर्दाश्त कर लो, like it's not that deep.
Or worse, they're like, oh, when you're married, then it'll be more important. Abhi to it's not that important, so it's fine.
The married
And
thing is
it's like,
crazy, man.
what are you on?
Yeah. And then I
And
feel really
like,
bad for people who have like stuff like endometriosis and stuff because
oh
I'm
yeah,
like,
for sure.
yeah, that's. I'm sorry, women.
What? Do you know the word like like wo Mahanur, the
Who's
27-year-old
taking
old girl,
court?
period
Yes.
tax wala,
Yes, of
pink
course.
tax, but period products pe luxury tax.
Yeah.
I really like that. And I
Me
can't
too, man.
believe she has to. I can because
I
kajal
can.
expensive, but ugh,
Yeah.
I don't know. And अभी भी like वो जीते नहीं है वो लड़ रहे हैं. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the fact that it's still like in the stage is like what are you proving? Like क्या
Yeah.
कि ये luxury good नहीं है? कि it's not a luxury? Luxury tax on pads? Like are you like just think about it. What?
I know. I know. I know. I know.
As if I opted to get this? Bro.
Ah,
I don't know how lawyers do it. Because if I had to argue Istra, I would either start crying or yelling. Like I can't in a
I get
level-headed
it.
way make the case okay, you should care
Yeah.
about this even if it doesn't affect you. It's
Yeah, they're
possible. Like
very
how are you
brave
going to
for
teach
that.
a grown man empathy? How?
Anyway.
Anyways, guys, ये था
And this was nice. It was nice catching up with you.
always a pleasure.
And stay safe, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Office.